Hey guys, welcome and/or welcome back. I hope you guys read that message because it's important. And let me just say, this will be my last lash video because this is my go-to method. I think I have mastered it. I don't see myself changing it again, and I also don't see the need to re-record it again. I need my skin to clear up a bit before I can come to you guys, all close and personal, But this clip is from my previous lash video. So my lashes used to be a little thinner, okay, a little thinner. And yeah, that kind of sucks, but it was always a cat eye. So cat eye, the one circled, is my go-to for my lashes all the time. This is my setup. My mirror is from Impressions Vanity. All of my lash supplies come from London Lash Pro. They have a website. I always order from them. I've tried other brands through Amazon and stuff, but I really don't like other brands. London Lash Pro is like the GOAT. They're amazing. I love their lashes, and when I tell you guys, this stuff lasts me a very long time. So the thickness of my lashes is usually, well, actually it's always 0.04, and it's a CC curl, and I usually use from 8 to 14 millimeters. And I also bought a fan. If you're doing your lashes, you need a fan, especially if you're using professional glue. So what you guys just saw was primer. A primer is needed to clean the lashes. So this is needed to clean your natural eyelashes so that the lash glue sticks to your eyelashes and you're not going crazy. I have some hydrogel eye patches that I'm putting on right now, and I'm putting my layout, and that first line is lining up with my pupil. All right, I always start there, the outer line, and then the inner line for the really small baby lashes. All right, so 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. I don't write down 8 because it's obvious that it's over there. Okay guys, so I did decide to add in this clip of me putting in some glue so you guys can just get a feel. You literally only need 3 to 4 drops to do I would say one eye. So I put that in the ring. It stays in there and it doesn't dry for about 2 to 4 hours, and it depends on the temperature of the room. So right now I'm trying to separate the lashes a bit so I can create more of like a fan. Essentially, it's called a fan. So I'm going to dip. Watch how I dip in the lash. You see how far I dip it in? Not all the way, kind of like a third of the way, and then I'm dragging it on the edge of the ring. So I'm gonna show you guys one more time. That's how I fan it out. I'm just pushing it a little bit, and then I lift the entire thing up, and then I'm gonna dip it. You see, y'all real close to my fingers, a little dry, but anyways, I'm dipping and I drag to pull off some of the glue, and I use the Lady Blonde glue or the Crystal Blonde glue from London Lash Pro. This is about how thick my clusters are. So I'm always doing clusters. I don't do one eyelash at a time. Reason being, the thickness of these lashes is 0.04. When I tell you guys they're as light as a feather, sometimes I don't even know that. Most of the time I don't even feel like I have lashes on. It's just that I be seeing them because they be all up in my view, and I just love it. I love how dramatic it is. I feel like a diva. All right, if you ain't never had your lashes done, you should go try it. You're gonna love it. Okay, if you're a girly girl, you're definitely gonna love it. So as you guys see, I separate my lash and I'm gonna put it underneath. All right, so you always place your lashes underneath your natural lash, okay? And then I put it there and I use the fan to blow the glue away from my eye so it can dry faster, and I could just keep going as quickly as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing that. Right now I'm just working with one length. I'm still working with the 14 length lashes. I know most people will alternate, but I don't do that because you guys see the tape at the top. I use the tape to lean those pointy ass tweezers on because the tweezers kind of stab you, and my hand is a little unsteady. So just so that I can hold my place and I can keep the lash there until I get some glue on the extension, I need the tweezers to be sitting in one spot, so the tape makes sure that I don't like scratch my eyes up or accidentally stab myself in the eye. So if you haven't tried this method, you definitely should. So right now what you guys see me brushing is all 14, probably a few 13s. So right now I'm moving the tape. So you guys see the tape is really like, it's so necessary. Yeah, the tape helps you like pull your eyelid up, because when I tell you guys these fumes are very strong from the glue, it helps keep the glue away from your eyes, or as far away as possible. And it just really helps with the process. If you guys have seen any of my past videos, my eyes used to be watering, my nose used to be running. Like, this really helped me a ton. And you know, it was a genius little idea that just popped into my brain one day, because I was like, I'm tired of this I'm tired of my eyes watering. Like, that is not cool. Like, this, it just wasn't. So I started doing this and I never stopped. Yes, I do use a good amount of tape when I'm doing my eyelashes, but anything to keep my eyes from being agitated and just being a hot mess. So I'm just going to continue this method all the way to the corner of my eyes. So I'm not even going to front. It does take double the time it would take in the salon to get your lashes done, because you're doing them by yourself, and a lash tech is typically alternating, and you're not really able to do that. So yes, time does come with it. All right, if you don't want to pay a professional, you are going to have to spend a little bit more time to get the same results or close to the same results. Yeah, I really wanted to re-record this for you guys because my technique got better. My camera quality got way better. Now you can watch this in HD if you have that option, or whatever device you're watching this video from. And you know, it's just a clearer view. Granted, y'all all up in my face right now. Y'all all up on my pores and everything. Like, yuck. But I thought that the quality should be better, and maybe this would be better, being that it's way shorter. This video is like half the length of my other one, so I thought that would help out a ton. And maybe, I don't know, maybe you guys would enjoy it more, because nobody really wants to watch a 20-minute lash video. So here you go. All right, so now I believe right now it looks like I'm doing the 9. So I did a 9. I only did 1 because it's kind of hard for me to record that. And then I lift my lashes up so that I can place some on the bottom. Whatever ones are like I can see that are visible, you guys saw, I would place a lash on that one. So basically you just keep fondling with the eyelashes until you get to put extensions on all the ones that's visible. You separate them. You just have to play around so that you can get them as full as possible, you know. So don't be lazy if you're gonna try this. You have to really try. All right, so this is how it came out. You know, if you guys have any questions, I can definitely answer them. If you want a more detailed video, I can definitely provide that, but you gotta let me know. But you know, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time. You already know what I need you to do. I need you to subscribe. I need you to comment. I need you to like, share, all of that. You know, help a sister out. And I'll catch you next time. Bye guys, later. Oh, and don't get this glue in your eyes because you will go blind. I hope y'all heard that, because I did put it the most terrible part of this video at the end, but it is what it is. Good luck.